Imagine a guy named Alex. Alex spends 4 hours every night staring at flashing red and green stock charts, fueled by 3 cups of cold coffee. He's trying to pick the next monster stock to turn his $5,000 into $1 million. Now look at Sarah. Sarah spends her nights reading books, hanging out with friends, and sleeping like a baby. Yet, 10 years from now, statistics show Sarah will likely have a bigger, healthier investment portfolio than Alex. How? Because Sarah discovered a strategy called VOO and Chill. It sounds like a lazy internet meme, but it's actually one of the most powerful wealth-building formulas ever created. Today, we are breaking down the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol VOO. Is it really the only investment you ever need? Or are you walking into a concentration trap? Let's find out. We're going to peel back the curtain on what you actually own when you buy it, the hidden trap inside it that nobody talks about, and exactly how much money you could make if you started investing today. Here's a quick breakdown of what the video covers. What's inside? The cost and fees, historical performance, flaws, competitors, and final verdict. Let's look at what's inside the VOO engine. To understand VOO, we have to travel back to 1957, when a concept called the S&P 500 was born. Think of the American economy as a massive, high-stakes marathon. The S&P 500 is simply a VIP club containing the 500 largest, most profitable runners in that race. When you buy just one single share of VOO, you aren't buying a stock. You are buying a tiny piece of all 500 of those giants simultaneously. If a company inside the club gets weak and starts losing money, it gets kicked out. A new, hungry, profitable company takes its place. It's a self-clearing survival of the fittest machine. You never have to manually buy or sell anything. VOO does it for you on autopilot. But here's the twist. VOO doesn't treat every company equally. It uses something called market cap weighting. This means the bigger the company, the more of your money goes into it. Right now, tech titans dominate the landscape. When you invest $1 into VOO, a massive chunk of that single dollar goes straight to work in companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. If tech booms, your portfolio surges. But if tech stumbles, VOO feels the hit. You aren't just investing in the general economy. You are heavily backing the brightest minds in Silicon Valley and global innovation. Let's look at cost and fees. Now, let's talk about the absolute best part of VOO, the cost, or rather, the complete lack of it. Traditional money managers love to charge you high fees, often around 1 to 2%, just to manage your money. VOO operates differently. Its expense ratio is a rock-bottom 0.03%. To put that into perspective, if you invest $10,000 into VOO, Vanguard only takes $3 a year to run the entire machine for you. The other $9,997 stays in your pocket, compounding year after year. Over a 30-year career, this tiny difference saves you tens of thousands of dollars in lost returns. Now on to historical performance. Let's look at the historical scorecard. Over the long term, the S&P 500 has delivered an average annual return of roughly 10%. 10% might not sound like a get-rich-quick scheme, but let's look at how the math actually plays out in real life. If you invest $500 a month into VOO and hit that historical 10% average, look what happens. In 10 years, you've accumulated roughly $100,000. Solid, but nothing mind-blowing. In 20 years, that number balloons to over 300 and authority building $70,000. But by year 30, the compounding effect goes completely exponential. You are sitting on over rounded $1 million. You only actually deposited $180,000 out of your own pocket. The other $900,000 was free money generated by compounding. Chapter 4. Flaws. But wait, if VOO is so perfect, why doesn't everyone just put every single penny they own into it and call it a day? Because VOO has a hidden vulnerability, concentration risk. Because it's weighted by company size, the top 10 largest stocks in VOO now make up over 30% of the entire fund. If the tech sector faces massive regulatory pressure, structural problems, or an unexpected downturn, VOO will drop hard, regardless of how well the other 490 companies are doing. You must ask yourself, am I truly diversified, or am I just betting heavily on a handful of tech companies? Now, let's compare VOO to its competitors. You might also wonder how VOO stacks up against other popular choices like SPY or VTI. SPY tracks the exact same index, but it is built primarily for day traders and options trading, charging a higher expense ratio of 0.09%. For long-term investors, VOO wins on pure cost. VTI, on the other hand, tracks the total U.S. stock market, including thousands of small and mid-sized companies. Surprisingly, because large companies dominate the market anyway, VOO and VTI perform almost identically over time. Choosing between them comes down to whether you want small company exposure or pure blue-chip dominance. Let's wrap things up with our final verdict. So, what is the final verdict on the VOO and Chill philosophy? It is one of the most reliable wealth-building tools ever created for anyone who wants to build real wealth without sacrificing their peace of mind or spending hours analyzing balance sheets. It forces you to stop guessing the future and instead invest in the permanent growth of human innovation. If you can handle the short-term market swings without panicking, buying consistently and letting time do the heavy lifting is the closest thing to a financial superpower you will ever find. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research or consult a qualified professional before making investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.